Okay, y'all ready? This is the remix of the language. Yeah, yeah. No, no. Yeah, yeah. No, no. I don't know why Tae be licking some booty. Woo. Rito. Woo. Rito be loving that booty. Woo. I be like, bro, but they poop out of that. He was like, I don't even care. I be telling him, bros, that's hella dirty. He says his girlfriend is his booty. I said, okay, oh well. I was like, that's hella nasty, bro. Get out somewhere, bro. Rito, that's why your name called Rito, bro. You eat yourself. Come on. Woo. I can't waste time on you licking booty all the down. I freaking wanted to do a new video today, but you said no. So that's why I'm doing this. Rito, get out somewhere. You lick my booty. Woo. I told you to stop licking it, but you said hell no. Yeah.
Jealousy in the air, night I can tell.
Just because you lick booty and I don't. Oh well.
How am I jealous?
You. How am I jealous? I just want to lick booty. I said, boy, that's nothing that I do.
Ooh, it smells like fart.
Tae said he don't want to do that no more. So I said, now you talking my language. Now you talking my language. I don't know about you, bro. All I know is I don't like to lick booty. Get on somewhere. Yeah. Yeah, Tae, gay. Rito, Tae. Rito, Tae. Woo. Okay, bros, I'm sorry. Can you lick booty?
Yeah. That was my remix.
Okay, remix though.